Hello, awesome people. I just want to share this with you. I don't know if you people remember, like few months ago, after I came back from Nigeria, how my face was being battered by acne. As you can see right now, you see how beautiful it is. It is more better. Not yet okay, actually, but it's more better than how it was like last month or a few days ago. So let's do this together as I show you how I am trying to eliminate all the acne in my face, okay? This is bicarbonate. Oh, this is bicarbonate. I'm just going to be adding a little of it to my hand. Then I will take some of the coconut oil. So I'm just going to be putting it like this, like a drop or so, okay? Then you will squeeze it like this with your hands. That is to be able to mix everything together, then you roll, okay? With this, you try to eliminate the dead cells, okay? Eliminate the dead cells from your face. And the coconut oil will also help you to moisturize your face, okay? And we are going to be leaving this for about 3 to 5 minutes, okay? And if you have like lemon at home, you can just squeeze a drop of lemon to your hands also, then you do everything together. But I don't have lemon at home, and this is okay for me. This is what I've been using for the past like 2 weeks, okay? If you guys notice how rough my face was when I came back from Nigeria, it was like, what happened? I did not change cream. I did not use extra. I was using the same thing. I don't really know exactly what happened. Then since then, I have been battling for it. And the only thing they told me was that at times, the therapy I am taking can cause a lot of dermal erosion, like skin erosion, okay? So at times, some of those things can come out from my face. It can come out even in my hands also, okay? It can come out in my neck area, you know? At times, it will just go away by itself. Like the ones certain time I was having a lot and a lot in my palm. I couldn't even shake anyone because it was really terrible, you know? They were just something that comes out so hard, and when they come out so hard, it becomes strong and later they vanish. So all these things are some of the experience I got normally by taking chemotherapy, okay? So this face on was actually so surprising because it has never affected my face before. But as you can see now, gradually it's fading away. You can see I was having a lot. You can see that my face is coming back gradually. I'm so happy, guys. Hope all of you know this charcoal soap. It's my soap that I've been using for a very long time. Okay, so let's wash off. Just look at, you can feel the smoothness. It's so amazing, guys. Just look at, everything is coming back to normal. Anti-dark spot serum. My first time of using this product. So I've been applying it also, and I think it's working well too. So I just keep on using it. It's also a serum anti-imperfections. I think we are good. Thank you. God bless you. Bye. Follow up next time. We are going to be more better than this. God bless you. Bye.